Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this free screen recorder platform called ScreenPal. So here's a quick review about the ScreenPal platform. The ScreenPal is a solid choice if you are looking for a free beginner friendly screen recorder in 2025. It's easy to use, work across devices, and lets you capture your screen, webcam and audio with just a few clicks. For educator, student, or small creator, the editing tools are simple but effective enough to trim, cut, and add captions which make it a great for quick tutorial or presentation. The biggest advantages is the accessibility because it's lightweight, free to start, and it doesn't overwhelm you with the complex features like some premium tools do. On the downside, ScreenPal is free version comes with some limitation like watermarks on recording and restricted editing capabilities, which may feel limiting for professional use. So if you're looking on more advanced project, the lack of high-end features like 4K recording or advanced effect might push you towards a paid plan or competitors. So, for most everyday use who just wants a reliable, no-hassle screen recorder, ScreenPal remains one of the best free options in 2025. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.